Morning, Susannah here, Good Property Company. Just come back from CrossFit, well actually from weightlifting at CrossFit. Just a little one. I didn't feel like it today at all. My dad's not very well. I'm here in Barcelona and I got news yesterday my dad's not very well, so I'm really worried about him. I feel like crying really. He'll probably be okay because he's a determined guy, but still. So I went to the gym to go do weightlifting. And the last thing in the world I wanted to do was weightlifting. I wanted to sit in a corner, have a hug, cry, and eat cake. But I did it, and I feel so much better for having done it. So the same goes for you guys for property. You're not every single day going to want to do property. You're not going to want to sit down and do all the basic movements like the squats, the clean, the jerks. You don't need to know about weightlifting, but those are the basic practicals in order to get really good. But just make yourself do it, give yourself a program and get it done. And you know what? You'll feel so much better afterwards. Right, I'm going to try not to be killed in traffic jam. Not traffic jam, you know what I mean, crossing the road. So just sit yourself down, tell yourself you've got to get it done. Go do your exercises, i.e. do your basics in property. Make sure you're buying discounted, make sure you've got enough money, make sure you're renting out well, make sure you're recruiting the right people, make sure you're getting your books done, your accounts done, make sure you're selling well. And on the days you don't feel like it, just keep going. See you soon. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.